don't forget to subscribe. The Backyardigans, the soccer ball mystery, a pull the tab story. See the pictures change. I'm Detective Tyrone. I'm helping this young lady find her missing soccer ball. Very interesting. I think I see a clue. Aha! Soccer monster footprints. Young lady, your soccer ball was stolen by the soccer monster. We'll have to go to his castle to get the ball back. Detectives have to be sneaky. Come on, let's sneak. There's the soccer monster's castle. Now remember, you can't play with the soccer monster. If you do, you'll turn into a soccer monster too. We have to be very quiet so the soccer monster doesn't find us. Look out! It's the soccer monster! No! Don't play with him! He'll turn you into a soccer monster! Actually, detectives like soccer too. Let's play!